One of the biggest types of questions on the LSAT are flaw, and so many people have problems with correlation versus causation, which is one of the biggest flaws on this test. And I want to break it down into a simple example to help you understand this a little bit better. So let's take a look at a argument that says, I don't know, something along the lines of when there's more ice cream sales, there's more shark attacks. Now, right off the bat, when you think about that, you're like, okay, so then the ice cream somehow must cause shark attacks to happen. But when we think about that on a deeper level, how silly that sounds, we need to notice that just because there's correlation, it happens at the same time. It doesn't mean that it actually causes. So it doesn't mean that ice cream causes the shark attacks to happen. There could be an outside factor. Maybe there's more ice cream sales when it's hot outside. Therefore, there's more people swimming when it's hot outside. So therefore, more shark attacks and more ice cream sales. Notice there's a third outlining factor as to why that's happening. Or not necessarily in this example, but it could be the reverse. Just because there's more ice cream sales and that happens to also be on the same day that the shark attacks happen, maybe the shark attacks are causing the ice cream sales. Now, obviously that doesn't make sense in that scenario, but there are multiple instances where it's not that A causes B, it's just that A happens at the same time as B, or actually in the reverse, that B causes A. So you want to think about that just because two things happen at the same time, it doesn't mean that it necessarily causes the other thing to happen.